Hey guys, I just got a new bike. It is the Verde Eon. It's a pretty nice bike overall. It's 24.8 pounds, pretty light. I'm used to riding my friend's bike, which is 25.8, so for me it's pretty light. But I like those are the rims. It's got dual stunner tires. Just the regular seat, just plastic. Everything's stock on it. I just got it today, so it's the duo. What are they? I think they're duo doils. Regular bars and the other grip, and then the bar ends are like just bar ends with a hole in them. Yeah, and a brake cable. I might switch out. I don't think I will, but I want to switch out my bike brake cable because it's black. I'm gonna switch it out to blue so that matches everything else. The front rim's the same as the back rim, same colors and everything, and the tires the same. I put a Dan's Count sticker on my bars because mine came with the three stickers. These are the pedals. They're kind of crappy pedals. If you get this bike, I recommend getting like different ones because they like really have like no grip on them at all. And yeah. Oh wait, hold on one sec. Just turning around the bike here. Alright, and then 3-piece cranks, 25-tooth chain wheel, 9-tooth in the back. The hub sound, pretty good. So overall, it's a pretty nice bike. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully, I'm gonna actually get some videos tonight. I'm gonna go riding soon. So, yeah. Here's a view of the bike. So, yep. It's the bike overall. Like I was gonna say, I'm gonna make some videos tonight and put up just of me jumping. So yeah. Comment. Please, guys. I'm new to bikes. This is my first bike, so if comment, and if you have this bike, like leave comments on what stuff isn't that great and what will break easily. So please do that because I really have no idea because it's my first bike. So, but I can tell the pedals are crappy because I rode today. But yeah, so it's the bike.